Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST Axis leather full gauntlet glove. We're offering the Axis for $59.49 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, along with the product itself has been completely redesigned. This is a leather full gauntlet sport riding glove. This is going to be appropriate for street riding. If you're a novice rider, you're going to dip your toes into some racetrack stuff, you could use these there as well, as it is a full coverage CE certified leather glove. Sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I have on a 2X right now. I get a fit that is exactly where I think it should be, so I would say this glove runs true to size. We've brought these in the black colorway that you see me wearing here, as well as a black and white colorway over here. Tremendous value with the RST line. That's why we've partnered up with these guys and have been importing select pieces of their product range into the U.S. to offer right at SportbikeTrackHere.com. Rather than doing a house brand, we decided to partner up with a brand that has a lot of proven history so we can bring you great products and offer them at a very reasonable price. This is a perfect example of just this. You can look at some of the other name brands that are out there, some of the real big names, right? And product that looks just like this is 100% going to be north of $100, no doubt about it. So at $59, this is tremendous value. Right, we've got a carbon knuckle protector, full leather construction, motion panels here in the fingers, double layer of leather in the palm. This is the impact zone, wraps around the pinky finger as well, so you have good abrasion and impact protection there. We have perforation in between the fingers. We have an overlay here. That's the high wear area where your hands touch the bars at all times to help keep the service life of the glove higher. Safety strap here at the wrist. Gauntlet closure for adjustment up here, perforation up here in the upper area of the gauntlet. The quality looks absolutely fantastic. As I said earlier, these are going to be perfect for a sport riding, right, motorcycle rider on the street, and maybe a little bit of entry-level track if you're just going there to get a taste. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.